Hello everyone, today I'm sharing some Windows 11 shortcut keys that might be useful. So without wasting our time, let's jump into it. So first is Windows plus W. This will open your widget panel where you can get weather information and many other options to customize it. Next is Windows plus A. This will open up a panel from where you can control your Wi-Fi, volume and all that stuff. Next is Windows plus N. This will open up your notifications panel where you can look for different notifications and take necessary actions. Next is Windows plus V. This will open your clipboard from where you can access all the copied item and use it. Next is Windows plus I. This will open up your system settings from where you can navigate to different options to take the necessary action. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.